Many believe weight loss is a simple equation: calories in versus calories out. While calorie balance is important, it's not the whole story. Hormones, especially insulin, play a crucial role in how our bodies store and burn fat. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, acts like a key. It unlocks our cells to let glucose or sugar in for energy. When we eat a meal, especially one high in carbohydrates, our insulin levels rise. This rise in insulin signals to our bodies to store excess energy as fat. High insulin levels, often caused by a diet high in refined carbohydrates and sugars, can make it difficult to lose weight, especially belly fat. To effectively lose weight, we need to address the root cause: insulin resistance. Imagine your body has two modes: fat storage mode and fat burning mode. Insulin is the switch. When insulin is high, your body is in fat storage mode, prioritizing the storage of energy from food as fat. Conversely, when insulin levels are low, your body switches to fat burning mode. It starts accessing and utilizing stored fat for energy. This metabolic shift is key to unlocking stubborn belly fat. A low-carbohydrate diet, such as the ketogenic diet, helps lower insulin levels, promoting this shift to fat-burning mode. By reducing your intake of carbohydrates, you effectively lower the trigger for insulin release. This approach allows your body to tap into its fat reserves, leading to more efficient and sustainable weight loss. Low-carb diets, particularly the ketogenic diet, have gained popularity for their effectiveness in promoting weight loss. The science behind their success lies in their ability to lower insulin levels and promote fat burning. When you consume a low-carb diet, your body shifts its primary energy source from glucose to fat. This metabolic state, known as ketosis, forces your body to burn stored fat for fuel, making it an effective strategy for shedding pounds. Moreover, low-carb diets help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce cravings, and increase satiety. You feel fuller for longer, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. By adopting a low-carb lifestyle, you're essentially retraining your metabolism to burn fat more efficiently, leading to long-term weight management. The dead bug, a core exercise without the crunch. Strengthening your core is vital for a flatter stomach, but traditional sit-ups can strain the lower back. The dead bug exercise offers a safe and effective alternative. This simple yet powerful exercise targets your deep abdominal muscles, improving core stability and strength without putting undue pressure on your spine. To perform the dead bug exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Raise your arms toward the ceiling and keep your lower back pressed to the ground. Slowly extend one leg and the opposite arm toward the floor, maintaining a tight core. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Regularly practicing the dead bug exercise, even for a few minutes daily, can help tighten and tone your abdominal muscles, contributing to a flatter and stronger core. A holistic approach, combining diet, fasting, and exercise. Achieving a flatter stomach and overall health goes beyond a single solution. Combining a low-carb diet, intermittent fasting, and the dead bug exercise can create a synergistic effect, amplifying your results. Intermittent fasting, an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting, further enhances the benefits of a low-carb diet. It extends the period of low insulin levels, allowing your body to tap into fat stores more effectively. Coupled with the core strengthening benefits of the dead bug exercise, this holistic approach not only targets belly fat, but also improves insulin sensitivity, boosts energy levels, and promotes overall well-being. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary or lifestyle changes, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. They can help personalize a plan that suits your individual needs and goals. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.